Hi guys, welcome to Math Magic. We are going to continue to learn how to subtract mixed numbers. Like what I told you guys before, the first thing you should do is make the denominator the same. Denominator here is 4, denominator here is 8. You can see that they are not the same. So what do you do to make them the same? Ask yourself, 4 times what number will give you this 8? Is it not times 2? Good. So it means that you will do times 2 here. And then whatever you do to the bottom, you must do the same thing to the top. So go to the top and also do times 2. Okay? So you write your 6 again, then you multiply. 3 times 2 is what? 6 over 4 times 2 is what? 8 minus. Then you write this mixed number again, which is one whole number, 7 over 8. Okay? Now, if you do 6 minus 7, you will have a negative number. And anytime you see it like that, what you should do is this. You come to this whole number, you take 1 from that 6, okay? And when you take 1 from 6, 5 will be left. Then you add this numerator that I circled and this denominator that I circled, okay? So you do 6 plus 8. You do 6 plus 8, which is 14 over the denominator again, which is what? 8. Then minus, then you write one whole number, 7 over 8 again. 7 over 8. Then you can now go ahead and subtract the whole numbers. You do 5 minus 1, that gives you 4. Subtract the numerator, 14 minus 7, that gives you 7 over, write only one denominator, which is 8. It's as simple as that. Now for the next one, okay, we have to make the denominator the same. So I will do LCD, starting with the first denominator, which is 6. You write 6, write the 6 times table. 6 times 1, 6, 6 times 2, 12, 6 times 3, 18, 6 times 4, 24. Let me stop here. Write the second denominator, which is 8. You write the 8 times table. 8 times 1, 8, 8 times 2, 16. When you see a common number, you should stop your multiplication. 8 times 3, 24. I've seen a common number already, which happens to be 24. That was why I stopped my multiplication. So the LCD becomes what? This 24 that I circled. Alright? Then you ask yourself, what will you do to 6 so that it will become this 24? 6 times what number will give 24? Is it not times 4? Good. It means you do times 4 here, go to the top and also do times 4. Then you move on to the second denominator, which is 8. 8 times what number will give 24? Is it not times 3? So you come here, you write times 3, then you go to the top and do the same thing, which is times 3. Okay? So let me take this off so that we can continue with the calculation. So you write 4 whole number. You multiply 1 times 4 is what? 4 over 6 times 4, which gives you 24, minus 1 whole number. 3 times 3 is what? 9 over 8 times 3 is what? 24. Good. Now, if you do 4 minus 9, you will have a negative answer. And when you see it like that, what you should do is that you will take 1 from this whole number, and if you take 1 from 4, 3 will be left. Then you add this numerator and this denominator together. So you do 4 plus 24, which is 28, over the denominator again, and the denominator is what? 24. Minus, you write all this, which is one whole number, 19 over 24. Subtract the whole numbers. 3 minus 1 is 2. 28 minus 19 is what? 9 over, write only one denominator, which is 24. Here we've come to the end of this video. If you love my video, do well to hit the subscribe button. Have a great day.